NRTC Automation is your source for all your industrial automation and manufacturing needs. In addition to other services, NRTC Automation provides parts manufacturing for any industry. If you need specific parts made for auto manufacturing, plastic production, or more, NRTC Automation can help. We can engineer, build, and ship it to you direct from the production line in our warehouse. As a leader in this space, NRTC has the capacity to customize a solution according to the unique demands of your production needs and match the output volume you require. And most importantly, investing in NRTC's parts manufacturing service will allow you to free up warehouse space and manufacturing resources for higher volume production.
We take time with our customers to meet or oftentimes exceed the quality standards on every service part we produce. We'll work closely with you to design the build based on your specifications, and we'll meet your required production output levels. Our team will continue to ship the high quality parts to you for as long as you need.
Step 1. We walk through the design process and ensure your specifications are met. Step 2. We build the custom work cell in our facility using our robots and parts. Step 3. We test the production line to ensure quality standards are met. Step 4. Finished parts are packaged and shipped out to your facility. Let NRTC Automation be your trusted automation partner for the production of service parts and more. Our comprehensive industrial solutions and manufacturing services range from tear-out services, engineering services, robotic solutions, and custom work cell builds. Contact us to outsource your parts manufacturing efforts, and we'll create a custom solution to meet the challenges of your operations. Learn more about how we can help you by visiting us at www.nrtcautomation.com or call us at 888-990-7606.